it, you just bought a brand new home from the builder. You paid your deposit, now what? Today, we're gonna talk about what happens from the piece of dirt you now see to the house possession that you have been dreaming of, and all the what's going on moments as your possession date creeps closer and closer while your house still looks like a hole in the dirt on Google Earth. Hey everybody, my name is Leanna Martins, your most trusted Edmonton real estate agent. Welcome back to episode 3 of 4 of my new build walkthrough series. Today, we're going to break down what actually happens during the build phase, when you're going to get updates, and how to stay sane when things feel stagnant. Hey, if you're buying locally, make sure that you book a one-to-one strategy session. Use my email below, leanna@martinsgroup.ca. That's going to get your timeline, your sale coordination, or rental bridge plan nailed down. Hey, and if you're relocating to Edmonton, guess what, friends? I created a community just for you called the Relocation Collective. It's free. It gives you direct agent access, school zone information, top 10 builders, top 10 communities, and all the support that you need to organize and plan your move seamlessly. And I built it just for you, and I cannot wait to see you inside. All right, friends, let's get into it. So the typical build timeline in Edmonton, from dirt to completion. Not every builder moves at the same pace, but most follow this general flow. 1 is permitting and excavation. Plans get to the city, they get approved, the foundation is dug. 2, foundation, footings, concrete pours, and waterproofing. 3, framing walls, roof trusses, windows, doors go in. 4, rough-ins, plumbing, HVAC, electrical. It's a mess of wires and tubes, and it's a good sign. 5, insulation and drywall. This is the halfway mark. 6, interior finishes. This is when the cabinets go in, the flooring, the paint, the lighting, and the fixtures. And 7 is the final touches. It's trim, doors, mirrors, caulking, appliances, and cleanup. And finally, number 8 is your possession preparation. So this is the walkthrough for deficiencies, fixes, and final inspections. Fun fact, it actually takes about 5 to 6 months once framing begins. And that's assuming that there are no supply chain delays, chaos, showmageddon, or surprise shortages. Now, what kind of updates can you expect in this process from dirt to completion? Most builders in Edmonton are going to provide milestone-based updates. So that's going to be example, foundation complete, drywall started, rough-ins going in. Don't be afraid to follow up ever. Any professional builder I've ever worked with will provide you with this. In addition, you'll get opportunities to do walkthroughs, perhaps pre-drywall. And you can ask, what stage is my build at today? When's the next official walkthrough? Am I going to get photos or just written updates? Who do I contact with questions during the build? These are perfect questions to ask. If you're working with a realtor, that's why you should work with a realtor, because they're going to be supporting you throughout this and helping make sure that you get the peace of mind that you need, that your interests are always taken care of. Relocating or local, here is what you need to know. You might be 3 provinces away or maybe 20 minutes from your lot, but you still need peace of mind. Most new home construction buyers feel disconnected. Like, what is actually happening on site? Uncertainty is very common. When should I book my movers? Nervous. Why is it taking so long? Why haven't I heard anything? That's why I built the Relocation Collective. It's a free community and planning dashboard for buyers moving to Edmonton. You're gonna get support, you get monthly live Q&As, builder information, local vendor, school zone breakdowns, and it's all in one organized place. Hit the link below to join for free. You don't have to do this alone. All right, here's what not to freak out about. Every buyer panics the first time they walk through mid-build. Spoiler, the drywall might be patchy, the lights won't be installed yet. You're gonna see dust, exposed wires, half-tape baseboards. It's not done, and it's not supposed to look done yet. Always bring your concerns up through with the builder, and it'll be your site super at that point. And your realtor, not the site trades. So this is the long middle that you're in. Don't rush it, don't worry. Make sure you've got a realtor representing you, because they're really gonna support you through every step of the way. Liaise with the site super, they're gonna liaise with customer service as well to make sure that you get everything that you need and you can continue to plan, continue to organize, and get the peace of mind that you really need. So it's the part where it feels like nothing's happening until suddenly everything is. But what about that final stretch? In the next video, I'm gonna walk you through the last part that you need to know, which is builder warranties, deficiencies, and your final walkthrough. So you know exactly what to bring, what to flag, and how to make sure that the house you take possession of is the one that you thought you were buying. Because even new homes need a final once over. And this is your chance to catch the little things before they become your weekend DIY projects. Hey, and if you are buying locally, Book a one-to-one strategy session by emailing me, leanna@martinsgroup.ca, to get your timeline, to get your sale coordination, or maybe your rental bridge plan nailed down now. Relocating to Edmonton, you already know, friends, join the Relocation Collective. It's a free community that is going to give you all the support, all the organization, all of the education and information, top 10 builders, communities, direct ask an agent, anything that you need to make sure that you are organized and your move is seamless. And I built it just for you. And I can't wait to see you in there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you in the final video in this series, walkthroughs, deficiencies, and builder warranties. I'll see you soon.